the last time I came here. We don't worship anything. No menala. We communion. If a more, ni go more, abrofu. Na ndi Igbo believe anyị kwere na anyị bụ mmụọ bụrụ mmadụ. More spirit don't worship spirit. That is why sometimes it's not good to go and kneel down before any deity. We don't encourage that. But people are so emotional. Sometimes you don't blame them. Na ndị boss na onye bụrụ oche nọrọ ala gwa mma okwu ma anọdụ ana gwa ya okwu. Ma anọdụ ala gee ya ntị. So, na adịnala Igbo anyị na ndị Igbo mara ihe bụ ntọala. When noble men were so close to nature, Chukwu abịama. Mmụọ na-ekwu okwu n'ala Igbo. I will shock you with something before we leave here. Now, ndị Igbo ọtụtụ mmụọ kwuchere okwu. We say, raise me an altar. Erase water. Ibata Igbo Nsuka, mmụọ na-emere anyị ife. The spirit, for example, when they told you that Virgin Mary appeared to children of Fatima, right? He appeared as a white woman. He appeared to the white children. He appeared in their language. When you hear that Ogugu, Arusido Tua, Nenan Mabio Shimirim Nejeros appeared to us. He appeared in my color. He speak my language and he demanded offering based on what we eat here. If Anumabio Shimiri that I serve or my good friend Miren Wilo Sobali that he serve go to Italy and appear to them and speak Igbo, that will not hear. So nature will always communicate with you based on your understanding and the environment. True. Now, Owesige, Unebule Mado. Every so market, observe it for me. Ne ni unu ga na achuru ma ajaya. Enwere alusi na eri efi. Enwere alusi na eri ebune. Nwa alusi na eri ewu. When you come to Panam na Delta State, anaghị eri ebune ebe a mana ha na-eri atụrụ. When you come to Asaba, ndị Asaba dị eri ogbono, mana ibe zikoba na eri ogbono. I don't know whether you're getting this. So, money ne mere ala na Igbo, mere appear na Igbo, took our flesh, speak our language, and demanded offering based on what we eat here. Can we relate with him or her, whether male energy or female energy? Now, Ndibo were result, a lot of deity came, and Mabio Shimiri no na bem, ihoji webe abinye nwa, and go make sure no nwere nwa ya ago na ago. And that's why sometimes it seems like we are too materialistic. Or we are every Onyobanakborok is performing based on the manifestation of the spirit Porogok. And when you have war, each one my okwe problem no na gboro ibata ni bonsu kanu nwere alusa na akpo aderero. Imegide kpa nwa ya aka if you like run to Cambodia ọ ga-achọta gị ebe a ojiru mi egwu mana ị nwere ike sụgharịa language about money or maha language a o nwere ihe ọ bịara ịrụ. Now ndị Igbo raised this altar, holy men, noble men, great men, for the purpose of saving our land. Do you know how many empires and how many kingdoms that have closed? But we are still living and still speaking our language till today. That credit should go to our ancestors. Now, those spirits in the bone really, you know, related very well. And when they are for ego, it could be in your family. And when they are for mom, it could be in your family. Now, all of a sudden, we jump out to see na white men. They have their own religion. Don't forget, we have thousands of religions in the world. And out of 1,000, we decided to play down on our own and took Christianity. Now, not just play down, because what we practice in Africa is not religion. What we practice in Africa is spirituality. We are not the people that believe. We are the people that knows. We want to know, because there's a parallel line between belief and knowing. Where belief is all about doubt. You don't believe in what you know. Now, and you say money no na Igbo na shi na ebe apo na ya fugo more ozo. No, it doesn't work that way.
The ways of your fathers.
Yes. Now, and you say so many family went as far as dropping the names, the ancestral name. I made a program last Sunday where kedi ye gwaru unu na nwanyi lodi or stop izafa nna ya zawazafa gị nwa bụ nwoke onye kuzuru ni ya. That this thing is an error. Some name is dedicated to Agbara, which the woman should be tapping the energy down to your home. Then I think it changed the name. So some things are not just right.
Was that why, you know?
I am coming to that. So, now, agbara niile na-emere anyị ọgọ na-echekwaba obodo ọbụla, when not just us. When you go to Cambodia, when you go to Italy, when you go to Europe, when you go to